Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use mee6 bot to welcome. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to opening my server, and here as you can see I have successfully added mee6 bot to my server. If you don't have an added mee6 bot, then open a browser and search for mee6.xyz. And here you will need to click on add to Discord and select a server. So add the mee6 bot to your server, and after that I'm going to opening my server here and scroll down. Inside of the server management section, here you will find this welcome message. Make sure to enable the welcome message, and now click on that. And now here you'll find an option named send a message when a user join the server. So all you have to do is just toggle on this option, and now go to your server and right click above and click on create channel and give here the channel name welcome and click on create channel. And now open mee6 dashboard and click on this option, and from here select welcome channel, and here we can see the message, and then click on save. And that's it. This is how we can use mee6 bot to welcome. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.